Good morning, and today I'm going to be showing you guys everything wrong on the Lexus SC, so stay tuned for this video. So we'll start off and jump into the car. Car comes to life, and we've got an engine warning light, sadly. Like so. So that's the code we've got at the moment, which I believe is an O2 sensor or a lambda sensor. So excitingly, my second issue of the week is you put the stereo on, it's on a CD at the moment, and there's no audio. And if I switch to FM radio, as you can see, the little antennae pops up, and again, nothing at all coming through. So there's a little thing. Because yesterday I had to put all this back in because it was raining. Let's pull this up and try and get to the amp, which is back here, the Mark Levison amp. And if you're fiddling around with fuses and things like that to try and get it to work. And we'll look forward to as of today. Also recently, just when I first got the car, I had to get 2 tyres, sadly at the back. So these are 18-inch tyres. Move around to the front of the car. I did clean this up yesterday, and I've sorted it out, but the coolant has been leaking down here in that pipe. So that's annoying. So that's everything currently that's wrong with the Lexus SC. I already had one sensor replaced, as I just seen the 2 tyres got replaced, and now we're back to another sensor. This radio now not working after it been working, went over a bump and it cut out. Been trying to work out the display screens, because apparently you can do your magic. So anyway, people saying if you hold the, so put the parking brake on, and if you hold info and twist this at the same time, which I can't do with the camera, but I'll try. So apparently you can do this to get it going, but nothing happens. 3 times it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, nothing. 2 fingers at one. Nothing. And also you can twist this while holding that, but obviously you can't do it at the same time. But yeah. But anyway, that's where we are, so thanks very much for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up, comment below if you've got any questions, solutions or resolutions for me, I'd appreciate it. If you like this video, yes, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you're a Lexus fan or enthusiast, and stay tuned as I'm going to be updating you on the Lexus SC as I progress. Thanks for watching. Ciao.